Alright, here's a tutorial for join our list under content. But what we're going to do is we're going to talk about join our list, but when we do that we also have to talk about the messaging center up here. So we'll do both of these in this tutorial actually. So if you want to create like a VIP list or something like that to be able to email to all your customers or whatever it is that you want to do with your list, this is where you would do this. So you would click join our list, and it says allow people to subscribe to your list. Yes. Uh, Send new email subscribers a custom message. Depending on what your list is all about, you can put whatever you want to. And here I just put thank you for joining our VIP list. Uh, Down here it says it asks if you want to ask for their birthday, yes or no. If you're a restaurant or who knows what it might be, this would be kind of a cool thing to do where you can actually send the subscriber a message on their birthday and it happens automatically. Where you can try to you know convince them to come in and maybe you give them a free dessert or something like that. But I wrote happy birthday, come in today and receive a free appetizer. Uh, so then, what that looks like here is, let me make sure both of these are saved, and let me go to preview here and reload preview, and let me show you what that looks like real quick. Right here, I'll make it say join newsletter, but what we showed there was more for an email list. So yes, for their name, the email address. Here's the birthday information, month and day, some legalese stuff, and you click to agree, and then you click submit, and then they would get that email, and you would get an email, and all that kind of stuff. But what would happen here is now let's go to the messaging center, and let's go back here and look at this real quick. You have send new message, queued messages, messages send, email subscribers. Of course, nobody's actually signed up, so I have no email subscribers right now. Let's go to send new message and show you what all is here and what you can do. You can type in your message, whatever it may be. Come in today for a free drink. Uh, Send two messages, and this is really cool where we have messaging center here where I can't click this because it says you need email subscribers first, but it shows you have no email subscribers. But what's interesting here is you can also post on Facebook and post on Twitter if you want to automatically. Uh, you click post on Facebook, and of course I would have to log in, that sort of thing for Facebook. Same thing with Twitter. I would need to actually log into Twitter to use these. But once I logged in, then whatever I send here will go to my email subscribers. The subscribers. It will also be posted to my Facebook page, as well as my Twitter account. And the cool thing about this is when it goes to Facebook and Twitter, it also sends a URL along where they can click it and then they can save that to their phone or mobile device and then bring that in with them. And if you want people to print it out, you could tell them to print it out, that sort of thing. So the messaging center, is also social media as well as email. We will shortly be adding text messaging and push messaging to this. Push messaging for people with native apps, and you could do the text messaging for those with that just want the web app. But you can include an expiration date. Of course, it defaults to no thank you. You can click yes. Come in today, so we just click like the 14th. It says view an example, and it shows you. It would say expires. This says 10/5, but it would expire on what 9/14 in our actual email. This is a really neat little feature when you do push messaging or text messaging is the abbreviations. And right now, if this is clicked right here for use text abbreviations, whenever you use one of these words, it would automatically make it smaller, make it a short word, so it won't take up as much space. You can actually add words to your own database if you want to. If there's a particular word that you use a lot in your uh, messaging that you would like to make shorter, you can go ahead and do that and add it to your dictionary database. shorten a URL. This is really nice. So in case if you wanted to put in a long URL to your message, but you don't want it to take up all this space. Let's just say, and this is just index.php slash, and you see it's a long URL. We'll just click add, and then it gives me this really short URL right here that we can actually copy, and then we could paste it in here if that's what we wanted to, and it would actually go to that really long URL here. So that's a nice little feature that's built in. And then schedule the message. Say if you wanted to create a message and you don't want to send it right now, but you want to send it tomorrow, or the next day, or whatever, you can do that here. You click schedule for another time. Well, it says cannot include an expiration date on scheduled messages. So let's remove that. Schedule a message. All right. Uh, I've got it for, it says now or scheduled for another time. And this is where you would pick the time and date of when you wanted to send that message. You can also set it up recurring. So that's pretty nice. And then of course you can preview the message there, what it would actually look like in your email, your Facebook post, and your Twitter message. So that's really nice as far as the messaging center is concerned, where you can get out and get your message out to people. Let's go back to Edit Web App and go back to Content and join our list. And that is the tutorial for join our list under Content.